As long as both of them stay a store of value, they're going to be useless. And that's what I see it. Yes. So that's the only thing I'll advise against. I'll advise against people who treat gold and silver as, as store of value, because the store of value means it can go up and down. People can play around with it. In fact, remember December, I think December 2025, depends on when you're watching this. Bitcoin rose up to 100,000, right? And people that were holding on to it were so happy. People were calling me up and going, see that? I'm glad I bought Bitcoin. I'm glad I got it. And then by January, February, it dropped down to 80,000, 75,000, in fact, 50,000 at one age. And they were disappointed. And I'm like, guys, that's exactly what I was trying to say. The idea of store of value is not for you. It's not for a retail investor, because it can be knocked out or wiped out depending on for governments, depending on institutional investors. They do what they want to do based on their balance sheets. That's going to impact you, because you're just sitting there and looking at your store of value and hoping that it goes up. And then when it goes down or drops in value, you do a mark to market. Right? You compare it to what you spend and start worrying about how much you've lost, which is not good. That's not how to trade an investment.